Welcome everyone to this daily update on Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience. Like and comment below your thoughts and subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead to our previous video analysis we had and see what was our plan on gold. Make a wick, break the lows and then continue to a downside. Or close below, come back inside the range, break the highs of the closure candle and then come back inside the range, or close below, next candle wick and then break the lows of the breakout candle, and then we have a straight candle down to clean traffic that. So we had this scenario for buys, break above here and then break the highs of the breakout candle to take buys for this clean traffic. I think I have it still here, yeah. So yeah, but these happened before when we were like here, for example, and then we had this next candle that closed below, just like this scenario. We closed below and then we continued to a downside, and then we had this wick where price filled this wick. So this was our potential trade with 23 pip stop loss, 28 take profit, and then price just went back inside the range and then play around the range. Here is also this scenario that happened. We break out, come back, close inside the range. We break out here with this wick. Wait, let me just delete this maybe. We break out with this wick just like here, as I said, and then come back inside the range. We came back inside the range. We made a wick with stop loss above this candle, stop loss above this candle at 17 pip and take profit around 27 pip. This could have worked as well. And then yeah, and then we had the breakout candle to the upside, and then on the break of the highs here on the but here, for example, also like the first scenario that I deleted, a breakout, close back above, make a wick. Because this candle didn't have a wick, it was not a good position to trade, but overall it went 30 pip and then 47 pip. Like, this is no trade because this is very big stop loss for very small take profit, especially after this wicks that we have here. And then next candle just shoot up, which made everything more easy. But very when this happened, yeah, it happened 8 p.m 9 p.m, this is very late, probably because of the news. And then they saw that it's not that bad, and then the news start to retrace back inside the range. And then yeah, then you have this in the morning after, for example, on the break of the lows here, you could easily enter with stop loss above here, sells, reject the highs, sells, break of the lows, respecting the stop loss, very easy sells here with stop loss around, sorry about that. And yeah, then we had this during the session, just like playing around inside this range, and then here we are. So let's go ahead and remove all the drawings. Let's do a top-down analysis for this roundup, even though I think that now daily on gold, after this resistance is being respected. Weeklies also break the previous week highs, no wick at the bottom because of the war in Palestine and Israel. Monthly has started to form that upper wick that we said the whole week, previous week, when the price immediately opened right over here on Monday. All week last week I was anticipating that we need to take out these highs here to form that monthly wick if we tend to go down. But it seems that we have found a very nice strong support that price bounce from here. I'm not sure if it's because of the war insecurity, and we will come back down later, but we need to take out these lows to be anticipating a bearish monthly closure, because the monthly open is here. And yeah, daily is now very strong bullish. We have without wick at the bottom, On the 4-hour time frame, we now are approaching this resistance that we have on a daily, this range here that we had, that we failed to break to the upside. And then we have this another range. Technically this is the last higher low now, and then on the break of these, price should go back down, but I'm not gonna, let me just check this range from here. No, it's 80 pips. It makes sense to have another level right over here. And then price now at the moment is inside this range. We need tomorrow more information for either checking trades in this area, or eventually this area, or even this area to the upside. We need more information, but as of now, I think this is the levels that we need to look out for. Breakouts on each of this level, or breakouts, come back, form wick, break the lows of the breakout candle, continuation, breakout, come back, close inside the range, break the highs, play around at the top of the range. Same to the upside, breakout, come back, make a wick, break the highs of the breakout candle, move to the upside, breakout, come back inside the range, make a wick, break the lows, and then play to the bottom of the range. These are the levels, but obviously now it's like 10 p.m., 10:15 p.m. my time. So yeah, we need like, what, 10 more hours for the 8 a.m. London Open. So yeah, let's go on GJ, let's go on our analysis and check what we're anticipating on GJ, maybe in the smaller time frame. Yeah, we can potentially we can move down. If on the break of the lows here, we can move down 30 pips for 30, or potentially if we come here for this highs to be broken here, to move till here, or potentially if we come here, form support here to move up here. This is a no trade range for me, but I'm looking for buys today, even though we have this whole sellout, but I'm waiting for buys after the support is formed and confirmation of the support is formed. Here I could have been very easily stopped out, but yeah, it happened on the Asia. Comment below your thoughts and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. So on GJ, let's go ahead and check. It was right over here when I made the video, and I said that okay, we had this breakout candle here. You see, you have a breakout candle of the support, you close below support, but you always need to wait for the wicks, the lows of the support candle to be broken for price to have more probability of price continuing in that direction, even though this sell is so big, this stop loss is so big. And then you had this breakout candle, but we could have pointed till this level right over here. However, inside, I'm not sure if I take, no, this is it was not marked very correct. I think this was here, okay, but I think the support here was more, after this price here, after these wicks, obviously this level here was made more sense. On the break of the you had a wick, like price moving up till here and then coming back, break the support, close bullish, and break above this support level, above this resistance level that was previously support right over here. So that is a very high indication. On the break of the highs here, you could have easily had a very, even not at the lows, stop loss, a more smaller stop loss is right over here inside the range, because all these candles here can work on your favor as a potential stop loss. And then you had as a TP1 this level right over here, and TP2 this level or this level. So you had quite interesting, and as I said, I was looking for buys all the time, even though we had this bearish momentum. But this higher high, the last higher low, that with the support that this high was made, the source of this high was like here. So until this level was broken, I was not planning on taking sells right away. I was waiting for the support to be formed, and then we had this major support range formed, breakout here, and then you had this clean move mirroring this candle to the upside. So for now let's check on higher time frames. How is the monthly time frame? Monthly time frame now is closing bullish after this wick taking these lows here, weeklies also, as just like previously. So I believe once we break these highs on the weekly, we can potentially move right till here, like 100, 120, 130 pips to the upside. So we need to take these highs here, that is previous weekly highs. Once we, even though we have this, I don't like this at all, this level right over here. We can have this, we can arrange a bit, and then we can take potentially some buys in this region once we break these highs right over here, confirming. But keep in mind that is tricky, because we can at any point we can reject here, tap this level, and then continue back inside these nasty ranges that we have. So it's not very clean from now, the price or the areas, because as you can see, this is just, but then you have this wicks, then you have this wicks, then you have this whole range in this area. That is not very nice areas to trade from my point of view, or based on my trading plan. So that's about it for this video, a bit longer, but we had to go and check what happened and what we're looking for. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and bye bye.